What's up, guys? ManyFaceImpressions here. This is my third take on the Star Wars impressions. Yes, this thing's gonna take a while. I realized I cannot do every single character, so I'm only gonna do the characters I can do. So if I miss any characters you like, I am sorry. I have to learn most of them, like, completely. Because I know if I butcher any of those voices, my older brother is going to kick my... Yeah. So, yeah, I'm just gonna do the ones I can do. So, yeah. Don't judge if you're bad. Or do. That sounds familiar. Anyway. Oh, got an itch. Anyway. Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna start off, and yeah. Keep in mind, I'm only gonna be doing the ones I can do. Creatures from Star Wars, such as like the Tauntaun and stuff like that. Maybe. I don't know if I can do the Tauntaun or not. And things in my mouth. Excuse me. That was not needed. Anyway. Oh yeah, I'm wearing a Kylo Ren. Oh, robe. So maybe I'll have Kylo come at the end. Like Kylo, I mean. Anyway, yeah. So we're gonna start off. 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Oh, hello, Mr. Jar Binks, Mr. Your humble servant.
I'm feeling that would sound really bad. Please, just... mercy. Mercy, please. Don't do it. No! That was bad. Don't listen to that. I didn't say anything.
At last we reveal ourselves to the Jedi. At last we will have our revenge.
You have been well trained, my young apprentice. They will be no match for you.
Confer, are you the level of Jedi Knight the Council does, but agree with you? Oh, messed up I did. Retry, can I?
Yeah, sure. You get one more take, Yoda, or else you're fired.
Okay, retry I will. Confer, are you the level of Jedi Knight the Council does, but agree with your taking this boy as your Padawan partner? I do not. Was that good?
It was good enough. You're fine, Yoda.
Ah, perfect. Now, time to go make some Dagobah soup.
Actually, you got a few more lines here. Says that you still got a few more lines. Yeah, I said that already, but yeah, you still got a few more lines, dude. Obi-Wan's turn is next.
Oh, fine then. Let him finish, I will.
Qui-Gon believed in him.
The chosen one, the boy may be. Nevertheless, grave danger, I fear, in his training. Was that good?
Yoda, we went over this. It was good. Now stop interrupting. Continue.
Ah, yes. Continue, I will.
Master Yoda, I gave Qui-Gon my word. I will train Anakin, without the approval of the Council if I must.
Qui-Gon's defiance, I sent to you. Need that, you do not. Agree with you, the Council does. Your apprentice, Skywalker, will be... Damn, am I finished now?
Yes, Moda? I don't say Moda, that's how annoyed I am with you. Yes, Yoda, you're fine now. Till the next movie, you can go for now. You can go do whatever you want.
Oh, great! Here, Dagobah soup! Here I come! Hurry up!
I should have just hired Kermit.
What if I told you that the Republic was now under the control of a Dark Lord of the Sith?
No, that's not impossible. The Jedi would sense it.
The dark side has clouded their vision. Hundreds of senators are now under the influence of a Sith Lord called Darth Sidious.
I don't believe you.
Oh shit, I just accidentally started it again.
Oh, you see what you did?
Oh my goodness, shut me down. Machines building machines? How perverse.
Oh my god, whoa, the lighting. Whoa, what's going on with the lighting? Hold on. Lighting, hello? Hold on a sec. Alright, that kind of helped. Alright, yeah, if you're wondering why there wasn't many episode 2 quotes, because damn it. Half the quotes were really just Anakin and Padme, and I'm not doing their quotes. It's all about, oh, you make me so want to die. You're so handsome. I love you. Oh, I love you too, but the Jedi don't want it. Blah, 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 blah. I'm sorry to all you Star Wars fans out there, but we all agreed that episode 2 was so annoying with that. Anyway, so yeah, episode 3. By the way, it's going to be a lot of meme stuffs in this one, because that's what episode 3 apparently was to people, even though I fucking loved episode 3. Especially the ending. It's so sad. Okay, let's go. This is where the fun begins. Not the happy landing.
Good, Anakin, good. Kill him.
Kill him now. I shouldn't.
Do it.
And oh, his head falls off. You get the idea. Hello there.
General Kenobi!
So uncivilized.
Commander Cody, the time has come. Execute Order 66.
Yes, my lord.
Blast them!
Anakin, my allegiance is to the Republic, to democracy! It's over, Anakin! I have the high ground! You underestimate my power! Don't try it. Ah, oh, my legs! This is actually one of the hardest videos I've ever recorded in my entire life, and I hate it. I can only do Yoda right, and Palpatine maybe, and yeah, but it's so bad. Okay, let's continue. All right, Yoda, we only decided to give you this one scene, I think. I think it was this one. So hold on. Yeah, this one scene in the film that you're only gonna do for this video.
Make it quick, you will. Right?
Yeah, we'll make it quick. Alright. So, go ahead.
Yes. Do it, I will. Let's do this. I hear a new apprentice you have. My?
Come on, Yoda, not again. Retry it.
Okay, one more try. Let's go. I hear a new apprentice you have, Emperor. Or should I call you Darth Sidious? Did I do that right?
Yes, you're fine, Yoda. You can go now. By the way, you're gonna come back episode 5. Alright, Yoda, you used up half our time, so we're just gonna skip ahead to some of the main characters.
What do you mean by that?
I mean, we're just gonna be doing regular characters now. I don't care about the lines anymore. You ruined that for me.
Ah, great. The faster we get this video done, the faster I get views.
Yeah, whatever, Yoda. Okay, you could continue now.
You're a part of the Rebel Alliance and a traitor. Take her away. I find your lack of faith disturbing. The ability to destroy a planet is insignificant against the power of the dark side. Or force, or whatever you want to say.
R2-D2, I have a bad feeling about this. Yep. Hello there. Come here, my friend. Obi-Wan Kenobi. Obi-Wan. Well, that's a name I haven't heard in a long time. A long time.
Luke, use the Force.
I'm never doing that again.
No, or do not. There was no try. Now that line I didn't. Better, that was. Time for the finger whack. It's a mighty Chewbacca. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh.
Your overconfidence is your weakness.
Your faith in your friends is yours.
I am a Jedi, like my father before me.
Now, young Skywalker, you will die.
Lightning.
I hurt. Father, please.
You get the idea. Well, there you have it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed that. I sort of didn't. That wasn't my best. That definitely wasn't my best. This video is kind of rushed because I had to get it out May the 4th. So that's why some of them are pretty bad and not spot on and stuff. So yeah, this is the best I'm going to do for now. Till the next May the 4th, and then I'll do a way better one. So I will catch you guys on the next video, which is going to be the meme one. So I'll do the outro, and yeah. This is ManyFaceImpressions. And I will see you dudes and dudettes next time. By the way, make sure to like, subscribe, and you get the idea. Peace. Put that down. Peace.